Hey everyone, so we do have some big news. I couldn't believe my eyes actually when I saw this. Binance bought the dip 500 million. 75 trillion tokens were added to the wallet. Now I wanted to fact check this. I wanted to check, if this is real or not. Did they really buy a 500 million dip? Be sure to like the video and watch it till the end to find out what happened. Good for them. More coins locked up in exchanges, the better. They seem to know that this stuff is going to happen. Not sure, but I think there was a relief fund offloading to Binance. If they bought that much, why isn't it reflected in the price? They bought 75 trillion and Bitcoin is at 12%. And we're at this price. And how is it still below if a $500 million worth of Shib is bought? Could someone explain me this? And I just saw an Ether scan that Binance transferred 14 to everything to Binance 8. So I don't think anything was sold, just transferred. And Binance still bought. So Binance 14 bought and transferred to Binance 8. So everything they bought, which we're going to be looking here. And this is an opportunity. If the price Shiba is going to be kept with a price range, why not use it if you have a little money, blah, blah, blah. Obviously, good comments here. Good comments. Very good comments. But if we check over here, we got to check the realistic stuff. Look at this. We have a new biggest wallet, and that is Binance. No surprises here. More and more holders every single day. But if we click on this, we can see that a lot is coming in. A lot of money. And we're talking about big transaction amounts, before it was going out of Binance. But right now, big transactions just came in. So for example, let's take a look at how much this actually is. So 17 million in one single transaction worth of Shib. 17 million. That's simply crazy to me. That's now a lot of money. And this is the richest wallet. Binance is probably going to be a billionaire. It's probably going to be a trillionaire if Shiba Inu reaches the prices we are aiming for. But this tells me something. Binance dropping this kind of bombshell definitely tells me that Shiba Inu still has a lot of potential. Because if Binance has 550 million of Shiba Inu, this definitely does tell you something, that Shiba Inu does have some potential at least here. They hold 8%, which obviously this is also, I'm guessing the coins from other holders on their exchange. So they bought even more. We can see others don't even come near. Some are of these like Hobie have 53 million and so Crypto.com having 220 million. But we can see another wallet here. This is the most mysterious wallet of them all, holding about 440 million, and it has been since inactive. I think it was inactive since 3 months ago, and it has never came back since. Nobody has been talking about it. Nobody knows who owns this wallet, but all we know it's holding 440 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens, because they know Shiba Inu will go up, and for a very simple reason. As Ethereum goes up and rally to 3K, I do think, and call me crazy here, call me crazy in the comment section if you think I'm crazy, but Ethereum could go to $10,000 by the end of 2022. Now that's a crazy talk, right? But I think Ethereum and both Shiba Inu are super undervalued. And if Ethereum is undervalued, that means Shiba Inu will have a lot of potential. With 39% Ethereum price rebound triggering a class bullish pattern. A falling wet setup, as well as the rumor of Amazon preparing to accept cryptos, also boost Ether's upside appeal. So we check over here. The price of Ether jumped to a 3-week high on Monday, triggered by similar gains in the Bitcoin market that appear in the wake of rumors about Amazon's foray into the cryptocurrency sector. A job posting for the retail giant showed that it's seeking an executive to build its digital currency and blockchain strategy. Meanwhile, global media reports have been speculating outside on sources that Amazon would start accepting Bitcoin, and this would cause the prices to rise previously. But obviously, we're going to be seeing much more growth when Ethereum hits 3K. That's when I think Shiba Inu will be top growth. That said, Ether bottomed out twice near the 1,700 range before rebounding higher by 38 to 40%. Analyst Johnny Mo spotted that mirror retracement move and ruled them out as a double bottom pattern. And obviously, Ethereum and both Shiba Inu are super bullish. I don't want to promote Ethereum that much because obviously they don't pay me here. But we are going to be seeing a breakout level for Ethereum soon, which puts the price en route to $3,257. So if you're holding any Ethereum right now, you're in a bit of luck. Ethereum is getting its own upgrades, which will affect Shiba Inu, and that will once again help Shiba Inu's economy. It appears the Ethereum USD exchange rate is undergoing a bullish breakout confirmed by high volume cross above the wedge resistance trend line. You can obviously see something is happening here with the market, which I do love. And, any traders out there, if you don't understand what this basically means Shiba Inu to the moon. That's all you need to know. So here's another thing that, we are not really surprised. China's crackdown signals an oncoming crypto ban. Bobby Lee says China has been increasing its regulatory pressure on crypto firms to help Chinese citizens stay clear of high-risk investments. So Bitcoin maximalist and Ballot CEO Bobby Lee recently discussed the implications of China's ongoing crackdown on cryptocurrency. Despite the government's support for a digital renminbi, Lee suggested that Beijing has no interest in nurturing the cryptocurrency industry, and they're probably going to be banning it soon. They want to launch their own CBDC, which they can control where it goes. They can track, not really track people. Obviously, the US has been saying that the Chinese yuan can track people, but they're going to be cracking down on crypto. The good news about this is at this pace, I do fear that in 4 to 5 years, the country might outright ban it. So no more Shiba Inu in China. But the good news is you could probably still use it for 4 or 5 years. So I think in 4 or 5 years for us Shiba Inu holders, we're already going to be millionaires, hopefully. But the government's recent ban on crypto mining and related trading seems to be aimed at deterring citizens from getting heavily involved in a high-risk investment. So once we get through this regulation, through these stages, that's when investors have much more trust into the crypto market that will not bottom. Given a boom in trading volumes adding to this thought, Lee said Bitcoin is not a direct competition to the digital yuan. So all of the digital currencies are not competition to the Bitcoin. I don't think that the cryptocurrency industry will suffer from China's pullback. And as I read previously, we have read somewhere that Shiba Inu and Bitcoin's prices are basically infected by China's ban. But the most important factor here is that China is banning them for a reason that they have on their own. There have been rumors around here, I'm just saying these are rumors that China has been banning crypto to actually kind of deflect the US market, to kind of destroy the US market. Because if they can ban crypto where most of the mining is controlled, the USA, where the most holders are, will take a big hit. And cryptocurrency holdings to their current portfolio, Lee believes that the final straw at this moment would be banning cryptocurrency and Bitcoin altogether. But considering the involvement of mainstream businesses along with ever-increasing government initiatives, China continues to restrict its in-house crypto business operations while allowing individuals to hold and trade Bitcoin. So what's going to happen next is when we get through with China's banning of Bitcoin, price will obviously drop in 4 to 5 years. Maybe it's going to drop in next week. The most important factor here is that Shiba Inu is still staying strong. When we see those big prices for Ethereum, if obviously Binance investing into this, into Shiba Inu coin, or the token, that is something that got my trust back. Someone holding in a single wallet 550 million is enough to bring my trust back. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace everyone.